Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how to make this hearty and satisfying breakfast sausage bread, which is gonna make your morning so enjoyable while you're munching on this on your way to work. It's super quick and easy. Let me show you how. Let's get started. I'm starting off by adding 2 eggs to my bowl with 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. This is going to be a very moist bread because I'm then adding 1.25 cups of buttermilk. Give this a good mix, and these are the wet ingredients for our sausage bread. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, I post videos every other day and they're always quick and easy like this one right here. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you won't miss out. Next, I'm adding my dry ingredients. I have 2.25 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. By sifting these ingredients, this will ensure us there won't be any lumps in the batter, and we won't have to overmix this, which would result in a tough bread. For the last 2 ingredients, I'm adding the goodies. This is 4 ounces of sharp white cheddar cheese and 1/2 cup of cooked breakfast sausage. This works great also with crispy bacon as well. This recipe is listed down below as usual. Now please do not overmix this batter. This sausage loaf is so moist and the texture is perfect. Now once it's fully incorporated, I'm adding these to mini loaf pans to really make them a grab-and-go breakfast, or you can add this to an 8x4-inch loaf pan. Be sure that it's well greased. I even put a little parchment paper on the bottom, and this is then going to get sprinkled with more of those sausage crumbles and some sliced green onions. Pop these into the oven, which is preheated at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and depending on the size of your pan, it'll take about 35 to 40 minutes. Insert a toothpick, and when it comes out clean, your little breakfast treats are ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what your favorite breakfast item on the go is. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.